In this Java tutorial, we will talk about inheritance. Let's learn what inheritance is by doing an example. I created objects from classes employee and customer. The fields of customer class are name, surname, and age. The fields of employee class are name, surname, age, and salary. Name, surname, and age fields are common for both classes. As we learned in previous lessons, we can access fields from objects. But this structure is not correct. We can create a superclass for the fields common to both classes. I create a class named person. Name, surname, and age fields are common for customer and employee classes. I copy the common fields to the person class. I can delete the fields I copied in the customer class. Now I will use the inheritance feature. If we want a class to use the fields of another class, we use extends keyword. In this case, the customer class can use the fields in the person class. I do the same for the employee class. The employee class can now use the fields in the person class. I am showing the latest situation in order. Let's test it right away. I can access the field in the person class. As you know, methods can be found together with fields in the class. For example, I create a method for listing in the customer class. This method will connect to the database and then make a listing. The same method can also be in the employee class. I can call these methods using objects. But this structure is not correct. If the classes contain similar methods, the methods can be moved to the inherited class. I can now delete the methods in the customer and employee classes. I can call the methods using objects. So why do we use this feature? We can reduce code repetition by using the inheritance feature. We can make the code more organized. I recommend you to watch the following Java tutorials.